Hello everyone, my name is Prachi, and on behalf of my team, I am here to present my project idea on topic train track cleaning under the guidance of Dr. Rajneesh Talwar. So, when it comes to cleanliness, everyone talks about their home cleanliness, their locality cleanliness, but nobody talk about the cleanliness of train tracks. Around 22.2 million people in India travel through train every day, and these track needs proper maintenance. Littering or tracks causes pollution and accumulation of water, which can also cause serious accidents also. Also, stones on the tracks has a potential to cause train derailment. It also creates fuzzy smell near the tracks. Proposed solution. Our solution is train track cleaner, equipped with brushes which will scratch out the waste and customized vacuum cleaner that would collect the waste consuming less power. A show camera for surveillance which will record the condition of the tracks and surroundings and check if the tracks are in proper condition or not. It can also identify any potential problem or hazards like stone on the tracks that can cause any major accident. It will be battery operated. It will approximately save 50% power. This device can be operated both manually and automatically. Methodology. Our project is divided into three major parts. First is wheel drive system, second is vacuum cleaner system, and third is brusher mechanism. And the whole project is operated with the help of 12-volt battery. First part, wheel drive system. Wheel drive system consists of four parts: battery, that is 72 volt, second is brushes motor controller, third is speed control switch, and there are two BLDC motors. The second part is vacuum cleaner system. It consists of four DC motors, a relay module, microcontroller, Arduino Mega, ultrasonic sensor, GPS tracker, and also a Wi-Fi router that will capture any information, and then it will go to the cloud, and through the cloud it will go to control room. The third one, brusher mechanism. It consists of four gear switches. Camera surveillance system. Our camera surveillance system consists of a power bank, a microprocessor, a Wi-Fi router, so that it can store any information to the cloud, and the information will go to the control room. And through the help of this Wi-Fi router, we can employ this device to any area. There is no restriction of that it can be used in a particular area. Commercial potential. Indian railway equipment market has valued around 12.31 billion in 2023, and it is expected to grow 3.61% every year. So as technical advancement like adoption of advanced technologies such as IoT and AI for railway are increasing, the Indian railway market is also increasing. Growing demand for railway maintenance machinery is seen in recent years. And here is a graph showing the growth of Indian railway equipment market every year. Thank you.